Binance is not letting you withdraw your Bitcoin from its exchange. We'll talk about that and see what's going on there. Coinbase employment debacle runs deeper than we think. What happened here was that Coinbase had promised new employment to certain people, and now they're not honoring that offer, and they're not helping too much, helping these people find a newer job. And Goldman Sachs begin trading derivative products tied to ETH. This is definitely a good thing, especially right now when we're seeing all the negativity in crypto, all the prices going lower, the crypto market's crashing. It's definitely a good sign. But yeah, let's see. This is what Binance tweeted this morning, right after. Well, it started with Celsius, as you guys know. Celsius stopped withdrawals from its platform. That's a problem. I don't like seeing that. They're saying that it's also going to be a temporary thing, but what I'm thinking is, if you guys are able to, if you guys have any crypto in Celsius, and you guys are able to get it out, I would get it out. But then things got worse because about 2 hours ago, Binance tweeted, temporary pause of Bitcoin withdrawals on Binance due to a stock transaction causing a backlog. Should be fixed in 30 minutes. We'll update. Now, we're only talking Bitcoin, and hopefully it gets resolved quick. But then he said first that it would take 30 minutes, and then he tweeted again, and it says that we will update you soon. He doesn't say, but soon could mean anything. It could be right in 30 minutes, or it could be a month. Who knows? So if you're able as well to get your money out of Binance and store it in a cold wallet, I would go for it. If you've been waiting to do that, this should be a good warning that it's just better to keep your crypto under your own control. So apparently this is only affecting Bitcoin, which is not good, or it could be good. I mean, if you don't have a lot of Bitcoin and you have other cryptos, then it's not gonna affect. It's not gonna be too bad for you. I mean, this whole thing is really bad. Actually, I'm not saying it's not bad. It's really doesn't look good. But now, if you think about it, and you have only Bitcoin, then it's not good. But if you're able to take your other crypto out of it, I would go for it as soon as you can safely do it. Also, don't rush into sending. If you don't have a lot of experience, don't rush, because you might do something wrong and send your crypto somewhere else instead of sending it to your wallet. So definitely take your time, but I would take action now, or as soon as you can comfortably do it. And then Coinbase. Let's talk about Coinbase. Former Wall Street employees formed a large chunk of persons affected by Coinbase's decisions to rescind their employment contracts. So Coinbase was hiring people, and due to the uh, lower prices in crypto and all the and the bad economy overall, now they don't need these employees, these new employees. So they promised these people a job, and then once these people left their original jobs, Coinbase was like, you know what, we don't need you anymore. We're sorry. I'm pretty sure in the contract that they signed, they maybe there is a clause that says that they can do that, and there is nothing uh, the people that were gonna work for them can do. Like, there's probably nothing they can do. But what Coinbase is doing is they created a website with the names of these people and their experience and how good they are, basically trying to help them find a job. But there's I don't think that's gonna help them at all. So they created what they call a talent hub to basically supposedly help them find better jobs. But I don't think this is gonna do anything for them. They should just honor whatever they said they would do. You know, they should just um, honor the contract. But like I said, there's probably a clause in the contract that says that they could fire them at any time, even before they start. But yeah, it's just now they created a website, like I said. And let's read a little bit. The Coinbase's decisions to rescind employment offers at the start of the month appears to have hit former Wall Street workers the most. The exchange is frantically trying to find new roles for affected individuals through a talent hub. So yeah, in this talent hub, they post the experience, whatever they know how to do, and hopefully they're trying to uh, see if other people can hire them, and they're like sharing this. It's like an ad for other companies to hire these people, but it just makes no sense. I don't think this is gonna help at all. These people, it's not good. It's not a good look on Coinbase. So even though Coinbase might seem like it's a very secure exchange, again, I would go and, if possible, remove my crypto from Coinbase and just keep it under your own control. What else is going on? U.S. Treasury Department on track to regulate unhosted wallets. So, what is an unhosted wallet? An unhosted wallet is just anything that. So what they call unhosted wallet are basically crypto wallets, but that are not under a centralized exchange. So any of your crypto wallets that are decentralized. So if there is something that's decentralized and the government doesn't have your information on that wallet, like your name, your address, the whole KYC information, that know your customer. Like, I know Binance and Coinbase, now they ask you to uh, give them your name, your information. Now, any wallet that is not centralized, they call it unhosted, and they are trying to regulate unhosted wallets, but I don't know how they're gonna be able to do that. I mean, the whole purpose of crypto in the first place was to be decentralized, and so that the government didn't have all your financial information. It was supposed to be something uh, for yourself, and to be for privacy, mainly for privacy. I don't know if they will go, and so in this article they don't explain too much. They just, they just tell you the reasons why they're trying to do it. They say that it's because it's not. They're doing it because of national security, and they are also saying that because of these unhosted wallets, uh, that Russia is um, getting away with with actually getting money when there were all these sanctions put on Russia, but they're saying that with this wallet, Russia might be actually evading the sanctions. But I think it's all for control. And definitely there are some things that are not good about regulation, but other things are okay. And as long as the money comes in, then I think we're good. But yeah, I think what they will do is they will go to the uh, crypto hardware wallets and talk to them, like Trezor and the other crypto hardware wallets that you can buy. They'll probably go and talk to them, and then yeah, you're still gonna keep your crypto, but they're gonna have your information. I mean, you're still gonna be able to keep your crypto on that hardware wallet, but they'll probably have your information of who you are, your address, and things like that, like you would with a centralized exchange. Basically, any hardware wallet or any wallet on a blockchain that is not centralized and doesn't have your name, your address, or whatever, they call it unhosted. Uh, I don't know why they call it unhosted. It makes no sense. Goldman Sachs begins trading derivatives products tied to ETH. So we are seeing all this negativity around the crypto markets, but at the same time we see headlines like this one, and it shows that these financial entities are still seeing a future in crypto. Um, Having said that, what's coming is going to be very scary, especially if you just got into crypto, or if you got into crypto at the top of the market. Um, Even though you might have already promised yourself that you're not going to get out of crypto, our mind plays tricks on us, and sometimes we're going to be we're going to get scared and not act rationally, and we might just get out of crypto 100% and forget about it. Uh, but my opinion is don't do that, because I'm pretty sure you have heard that you make the most money during a bear market because that's when you can invest. And then when the bull market comes, you'll get insane returns because you bought really, really cheap. And it sucks if you already bought at the top of the market, but the returns that you could make in crypto would be insane if you just, it's all about a long term mindset. If you stay in it through a bear market, whatever you invested before, it might not seem like much compared to what you could get in the future once the prices go up again. This is definitely not financial advice. Do your own research. But that's annoying, I know, but I have to say that. Yeah, it bothers me when everyone's like, not financial advice, not financial, but whatever. Okay, you understand. So overall, this is good. Goldman Sachs trading derivatives tied to Ethereum. So this means that these companies are still in crypto. And if you see other news, recent news, they're very optimistic. Now, you might say, well, they're just being optimistic because they're invested in this stuff and they don't want it to go really low, or they don't want it to go bad. But yeah, that might be true. But when they're actually investing, they keep investing, and they actually keep putting money into projects, then that means they're actually they actually believe in crypto. Goldman Sachs has expanded its client-facing crypto offering with a derivative product linked to Ether, according to a statement from London-based Merrick's Financial. The investment bank restarted its crypto operations in 2021 as a flood of institutional money entered the market. The core of its offering has centered around derivatives tied to cryptocurrencies like bitcoins. Now, amid a tumultuous backdrop, Goldman Sachs has commenced a derivatives product linked to the price of Ether. The possibility of an ETH-linked derivative product was first mooted by the bank in June in 2021. So yeah, this is showing that there is still a lot of people that believe in Ethereum and in crypto overall, and these are the people with this financial firms. They're showing you that they're invested in crypto, and they're in for the long term. Don't forget that we're witnessing history. We're in the middle of a financial revolution. Everything is going to change. The financial world because of crypto, and we're going through it. But it's just gonna take it's gonna take some time. Subscribe and hit the like button.